Hi, welcome to part 2 of the renewed XView transaction analysis page explanation video. In part 1, we had already walked through together 3 features of the renewed XView transaction analysis page. Now for part 2, we will continue the walkthrough of the rest of the features. Let's move on to the 4th feature, which is the transaction group. Transactions are grouped by client ID, application, GUID, user ID, and client's IP address. You can easily check applications with problems in a specific group. If there are more than or equal to 100 transactions in a group, then a circle and a number are additionally displayed. From this, you can check why there is a sudden jump in the response time of a specific transaction group. Next, we will continue to the 5th feature. The 5th feature is the search condition. Before performing searches, you can use the search condition. The search button is on the top right of the screen. But, before clicking the button, you can use the search conditions such as start date, end date, the start time of the start date, and the end time of the end date. You can also add the selected target instances or businesses to the search condition. You can type the minimum response time of the transactions to be shown on the XView chart. For example, I will set it to 1000 milliseconds so that the transaction below 1000 milliseconds will not be shown on the XView chart. You can use advanced search to add conditions by transaction search or profile search. Click the search button. After adding the conditions, the search condition can reduce the number of transactions viewed to make your searches faster. Finally, the 6th feature of the renewed XView transaction page, the transaction filtering, which can support detailed analysis. When viewing transactions, lots of data is sent from the server, so Jennifer provides the powerful filtering function to avoid repeated viewing of the same data. Click the filtering button at the top right of the XView chart, then the filtering feature will be shown from the right of the screen. You can choose the filtering conditions from the drop-down list. I will show you an example here. I choose the response time filtering condition, then I will filter the response time smaller than 5000 milliseconds, or 5 seconds. Look at the result. The XView chart will be directly filtered after you add a filtering condition. Then, if you check the display transactions with errors only, the XView chart will directly show only the error transactions as shown in the following screen. You can drag the particular error transaction on the scatter charts to launch the XView transaction analysis pop-up window. So, that's the last feature and the end of part 2 of the renewed XView transaction analysis page. Thanks for watching. See you on the other topic of the renewed Jennifer. Please remember, to use the newest Jennifer features, please upgrade your Jennifer first. Thank you.